Okay, go. Explain what.
When I was in high school,
Huh?
90% of teachers were men, and one of them was looks like gay. And when he spoke, just hey, really, hey, yeah. And when he was teaching this class,
Yeah.
One of my friends was sleeping on this bed, and the teacher when the teacher woke him up,
Yeah.
his penis was standing up. He was totally embarrassed, but the teacher didn't know that.
Yeah.
And the teacher said, "Hey, come here, come forward."
Yeah.
Anyway, so when he took his pants were like this, and he just walked like this. Oh! And the teacher asked him, "Hey, what's going on in your pants?" His face turned red, and he didn't say anything. So the teacher asked him again, "I asked you, answer me. What is going on in your pants?" And he said, "How do I say in English like this?"
What are you doing?
I mean, in English.
Standing at.
Thinking and
In military.
Military, yeah.
Military, yeah, like at ease. At ease? No, at ease is relaxed.
Anyway, the teacher said, "At ease,"
Yeah.
and my friend like this, and the teacher just grabbed his penis. And he said, "Don't move." Oh! He just grabbed and pulled it.
Oh, that's harsh. You know, in Canada, you definitely could not do that.
Yeah,
No.
I know.
Never. All right, cheers to that.
In Korea,